In my previous video, I have installed Kali into VirtualBox. In my today video, I will install the Parrot Security operating system into my VirtualBox. Step 1. After downloading and installing the VirtualBox onto your PC, click on the New button. A dialog box will appear where you would need to type the name of the OS, the version, and the operating system type. In my case, the name would be Parrot Security Debian, the OS Linux, and the version Debian. Step 2. The next step would be to allocate the RAM. It is recommended that you allocate at least 1024 MB, 1 GB, for Kali Linux to run perfectly. Step 3. Next, choose to create a virtual drive, and then in the next window select the hard drive type as VDI, virtual disk image. Step 4. In the next step, you have to choose if you want the hard disk to be dynamically allocated or have a fixed size. If you have enough space on your hard disk, you might want to choose the first option. Nevertheless, it's up to you. Step 5. Next, choose the name of your virtual hard drive and allocate the size of the hard disk. Step 6. So, now when the virtual hard disk has been created and other settings are selected. Step 7. Click on Settings and configure the system and display setting. The most important part is here. Click on Storage and upload the Parrot Security.iso, or you can say the disk image. If you have not yet downloaded, then go to this website and download now. Link is in my description box. Step 8. Run. Click on Graphical Install. Set language. Select country and click Continue. Enter hostname, domain, and password. Step 9. Login with user ID and password. That's all we need to do. Now we have to install a guest box in Parrot, so let's how to install it. First, start with an update on command line. If you are not root user, try it with sudo. Run this command to install the guest box. Okay, all set, our guest box is ready. Now the system needs a reboot. Here all things are done.